Hi everyone, we're just getting ready this week to put up our marquee. This is our marquee site here in the orchard, so we're just getting ready at Applewood Permaculture Centre for our course season, which is starting with forest gardening courses with Chris, and then we've got Mothers in Action course, which is just got one place. One person's just had to cancel, so we've got one place for that course, partly funded. And then the volunteer week, which is already full, but we've got a waiting list in May. And then in June, we've got our permaculture teach training, which has just got 3 places left, I think, and bursary places, so apply for that. And then we've got the activating cultural emergence course at the end of June. In July, we've got advanced design course with me and Delvin Solkinson coming over from Canada. And in August, we've got the Peace, Empowerment and Cultural Emergence course with me and Leona for a whole week of nourishment and deep connection. So that's our summer programme, and then we've got September, we've got Mothers as Natural Leaders and Forest Gardening again. So loads of exciting opportunities for you to come and be in the marquee, which isn't here yet but will be here soon, and just to really enjoy Applewood and all the beings and time around the fire and have fun and connection and crumbles and lovely food with people. So I'm really excited about what's coming up, and we still have a few places left on all of those courses if you want to get engaged and book in your time for some fun and connection and learning and inspiration this summer here at Applewood.